Mailchimp is one of the world's most popular email marketing platforms, designed to help businesses, creators, and organizations connect with their audience through email. Whether you're promoting products, sharing newsletters, or building customer relationships, Mailchimp provides the tools to do it all from one place. With Mailchimp, you can design professional emails using a drag-and-drop editor, manage your subscriber list, organize contacts with tags and segments, and track campaign performance through detailed analytics. It also includes automation features that can send emails automatically based on customer actions, saving time while creating a more personalized experience. Beyond email marketing, Mailchimp also offers sign-up forms, landing pages, customer journey automation, AI-powered content suggestions, integrations with popular platforms like WordPress and Shopify, and tools to help grow your business. Mailchimp is suitable for beginners because of its easy-to-use interface, while also offering advanced features for businesses that need more powerful marketing capabilities. It has a free plan for getting started, along with paid plans that unlock additional features such as advanced automation, audience segmentation, and more detailed reporting. Overall, Mailchimp is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build an email list, engage with customers, and grow your business through email marketing. If you want to learn any of Mailchimp's features in detail, be sure to check out our channel. We have step-by-step tutorials covering everything from campaigns and automations to templates, audiences, integrations, and much more. And that's what Mailchimp is and why millions of businesses use it.